Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Messenger for stop on your Messenger app. All you have to do, you just click here on settings, then it's going to take you to settings window here in this window, and you just go down, then you click here on apps, and it's going to take you to apps window, and you just go down here to looking for Messenger app in this window, then you just click here on Messenger, and it's going to take you to next window here. You just click here on for stop, and you click here on OK, and you just go down, then you click here on storage, and you come to storage window. So you just click here on clear cache, and you click here on clear data, and all you have to do, you just go to your Play Store and search for Messenger app. It's going to show for you, and uh, you will see update. You will click on update, and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video about all Messenger app settings.